The facts on Facebook. Can what you post be used against you in a divorce? Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary. Today, we live in a social media savvy world. If you stop to think about it, chances are that most people you know probably have at least one social media account, and likely more. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any number of other platforms, we're all very digitally connected. In many ways, that's wonderful. We're able to keep in touch with people and feel close even when we're separated by many miles. We're able to share with one another and learn from one another, and those things are great. On the flip side of the coin, however, many of us have become so used to sharing our lives on social media that we don't often stop to think how that oversharing might negatively affect us in certain situations, divorce being one of them. So here's the question. Can your activity on social media be used against you during a divorce? Even if your account is set to private, could you still be at risk? Unfortunately, for those who love social media, the answer is yes. But not yes forever, but yes for now. And there are a few reasons why. First and foremost is the negative emotion that social media postings might arouse. Many of us are very accustomed to sharing all aspects of our lives on social media, whether we're having a good day or bad. Sometimes, if we're being honest, it can be stress relieving to vent to others, and we may not put very much thought into the things we post beforehand. This means that social media has the potential to make your soon-to-be ex-spouse very upset, especially when emotions are already running high, and things can easily be taken the wrong way. Even if you aren't technically friends with your spouse on social media, most married couples have the same mutual friends, and it's easy for information to reach your spouse very quickly. In the end, the temporary stress relief you might feel simply isn't worth it. Second, the statistics prove that social media is increasingly being used as a source of valuable evidence in divorce cases across the country. Certain sites have reported that nearly 1/3 of all legal action in divorce cases is precipitated by affairs conducted online. And in a recent survey of family law attorneys, 81% of them reported discovering evidence on social media which they felt was valuable to present in court. It's not at all unusual for one side to find valuable evidence proving adulterous behavior that can be used by one party against another in the case. By way of example, following a recent divorce case, a husband filed a motion seeking to decrease the amount of alimony he was ordered to pay based upon his claim that he was having extreme financial difficulties. His ex-wife suspected the husband of lying, and on Facebook, the ex-wife and her attorney successfully found pictures of expensive gifts the husband recently purchased for his new girlfriend, as well as a tweet on Twitter regarding a recent promotion. They successfully used this evidence to argue against his requested alimony reduction. In another example, a mother was seeking sole custody of her child as part of her divorce case. On her Facebook account, however, she frequently posted pictures of herself partying with her friends in which she seemed to be staying out late and often usually well intoxicated. The ex-husband and his attorney successfully copied and used those photos to argue that granting the mother's request was not in the best interest of the children. These examples are only two of many. The truth of the matter is that anything you post on social media might be discovered and used against you. Simply choosing not to use social media means that you're making the safe and smart decision not to run that risk. The best choice to make as you go through a divorce is to take a break from social media. You can always begin using it later after your divorce has been finalized, and chances are you'll be glad you waited.